Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I'm coming forward with a public news announcement. What I want to talk about today are seeds, and seeds that you didn't order and you may be receiving. And yes, they have come to this area too. What you may have received, and a lot of people are receiving, is a little packet of seeds. Now, and they are from China. It will say on the outside as far as what they are, some sort of jewelry. Some of them will say just jewelry, some will say earrings. My sister received them and hers said potted plant stud earrings. My daughter received them, also stated as earrings. Here's the thing, they've come from China and they have been sent all over the United States. I find it amazing that I know two people in my family that have received it. I have not received it. I would have known right away that I didn't order it because I have never ordered seeds from China. I order all my seeds locally. When my sister received it, I was a little alarmed. She received it about a month ago and she was all excited. Her seeds came and she read them to me and she even sent me a photograph, and I said, wait a minute. You wanted seeds. I sent you seeds. I told you to buy from Baker Creek, Ray, who is also on YouTube, M.I. Gardener, locally, even if it's in the grocery store, a regular store, a hardware store, wherever you want to get them from. She wanted to get them online. I said, but I told you not to order from out of the country. She said to me, I didn't think I did, but I must have. That was her answer to me. And she said she was going to plant them, but now she doesn't think she ever did. Her seeds look like flat brown tomato seeds. That's what hers looked like. Then my daughter received some, which she was alarmed at, because hers were small. I think they were small black seeds, and some people are receiving white seeds. So the seeds are different from all over. Here's the thing, the USDA wants them back. They were not to be shipped. So please do not throw them away. They have said don't throw them away, do not flush them, do not plant them. They don't know what the deal is. They don't know why there were so many seeds that were sent all over the United States. It could be various reasons. They have no idea right now, but it frightens me because there are seeds that are coming from China that are a type of squash that people do order legally and they bring them here. And the reason I don't like them is the longer you keep the seeds, they're supposed to be heirloom. The longer you keep the seeds, the more the fruit will no longer produce. So you'll grow the seeds the first time you receive them, and they'll grow beautiful squash-looking plants and great fruit. If you keep those seeds and do not reorder them from China, the next crop you get the following year or even that year, you'll get less fruit. The next time you keep them off of that, less fruit, until about the third, fourth generation, you get no more fruit. That is very frightening to me. That's why you better not be planting these seeds. They don't want anybody to plant them because it could be tainted with a virus that may kill all your other plants. It could be a specific type of virus that may target plants, like there's a citrus virus going around right now, and there's many other viruses going around on different plants. There's different things that can end up in our ecosystem that we can't get rid of. So they don't know what is going on because not all seeds are equal. Somebody who got something may be perfectly fine. The USDA may test something and it may be that packet. So it's like a Trojan horse. You don't know which seeds have what in them and which seeds have something really, really bad in them. So again, I suggest strongly going by the USDA, Google the USDA locally in your area, contact them and call them and tell them you've got it. It's best if you don't open the package, but if you already did, do not plant them. And if you did and you know where you planted them, dig up that soil, bag it up, and throw it in the garbage. That would be the best thing at this point to do in case they didn't even grow, because you don't know what was in the seeds. We don't know. It could be something as simple as they're trying to check addresses. They may, because it comes with your name and address on it. It could be they were testing our postal system to see if they can get them through, because it's not legal to send seeds that are not certified. They have to be certified, they have to be checked, and they have to be approved before they come in. So they could have simply been testing that. We don't know. Nobody knows what the agenda was. So again, all I ask I'm going by the USDA. It made the news. It made the news the past couple days. I heard it for the first time a few days ago. Caused my alarm bells because I called my sister right away and texted her, and then my daughter went, oh my gosh. So the idea that I know 2 close family members that received the seeds frightens me. When they say hundreds, it sounds like thousands and thousands ended up all over the United States. Call your USDA. Don't bother with the post office. They never care or never want it anyways. Call the USDA, ask them what they suggest you do with them, and do not plant them because we don't know what it was all about. We don't know anything. There's been some small notifications that people did receive a face mask from China. Some people said they received socks. I don't know anybody that did. But if you received anything you didn't order, especially from China, please don't use it. We don't know what's in it. Again, the biggest thing that I'm frightened about are those seeds that they have developed that will only create food for 1 or 2 generations, and then after that you could end up with no food if you didn't buy seeds from them. The whole video was on John Kohler's Growing Your Greens. He did it last year. He went to someone's home who buys seeds legally from China and grows a certain fruit, and she said you cannot save those seeds. You must buy them from her. She brings them in and imports them from China. And when I heard that, it wasn't the idea that they were from China. What frightened me is to develop a type of food that you cannot collect the seeds on in any way and not end up with food. That frightens me. So with that, heads up, if you receive a package you didn't order and it's from China and it says jewelry on the outside and you open it up, some sort of jewelry, earrings or something, and you open it up and it is not anything you ordered, please Google USDA, your local department, call them and ask them what to do with it. With that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. And I'm going back to my new project that I am working on today. Hope it works. Bye-bye. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.